What this is a bag of granules that works for ants, fleas, ticks, spiders, grubs, and a wide variety of insects. Actually, they're saying up to over 100 different insects for the lawn. Now, with a granule, this can treat up to 10,000 square foot. You want it, me personally, I use this battery-powered granule spreader. I actually recommend this thing because it works awesome. I fill this up and I just use the granules and just spread them out amongst the entire yard. You don't have to clump them up. Try to spread them as much as you can because each granule, when it opens, when it rains, the first big rain of the granules, what it's going to do, it actually uses each one of these. And you see how the granules look right there? These will actually form big, huge puddles of insecticide. The main ingredient of these, the main insecticide is, active ingredient is bifenthrin, which is a pyrethrin, and it's 0.115% and 99% other ingredients. And on the back, it gives you a wide variety of insects that it will target. These are the targeted insects, and it'll work up to 3 months. So to actually use these things, all you do, now you could broadcast this with just your hand if you want to. Wash your hands after you get done with these, you'll be fine. These are pretty low. I fill this thing completely up like that, and you see how much I can hold in there. Open this up, so let me open it up as wide as it goes right here. So this actual thing, I can open it up like that. I don't know how well you can see it spreading out through there. All I do is walk around the entire yard, whether it's my garden or around all of my yard like this, until I empty out all the granules. And this thing works great. And this is rechargeable, by the way. But these granules are some of the best granules that I've been able to find for taking care of kind of grubs, ants, spiders, and a wide variety of things. And once I empty that all out, what I do is come back and refill it up. And then you know what? Do it again. And this is for residential and residential lawns, home premier, ornamental, flower gardens, and home garden use only, not indoors. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Ortho lawn insect killer granules. See you on the next video.